Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in HSBC Bank Singapore on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the HSBC app. First unlock your iPhone and locate the HSBC Singapore mobile banking app on your home screen. Next tap the app once to open it. Step 3. Welcome and security reminder. When the app opens, you will see the HSBC welcome screen. For your security, always ensure you are logging in from a safe and private location. Step 3. Enter your username. Next tap on the login file and enter your username. This is the username you created when you register for HSBC online banking. Step 4. Authenticate with password or biometrics. Now enter your password. If you have enabled Face ID or Touch ID, you can simply look at your screen or place your finger on the home button to log in quickly. Step 5. Additional verification. For added protection, HSBC may request extra verification such as a one-time password, also known as an OTP or an in-app confirmation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. And that's how you can log in into HSBC Bank Singapore on iPhone. Now you can check your balance, transfer money, pay bills or manage your banking using the HSBC app. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.